I am so excited to bring you this brand new community in Lone Tree, Colorado. This community is called Lyric, and I don't even think anybody's living there yet. It is that new, but I can't wait to show you this home because it is so cool looking. Now these homes, they are tract homes, but they don't look like your typical tract homes. These ones have this like urban, modern feel to them, and they're really cool. Now I know on the picture you saw on the front of this video, it doesn't look like they have garages, but they're an alley load garage on this product. So you do have a 2 or 3 car garage in this community. And the other thing that is so great about this community is some of the models have ADUs that you can have built in, an accessory dwelling unit. And I'm gonna show you, we're gonna tour through one of them so you can see what they look like. And these units are really great for a new term that I've heard, bounce back kids. Yep, kids that leave and then come back home. This is a really great spot for them. Now this home we're gonna go see is 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. It's about 2,350 square feet finished. Plus you can either add an additional space for a bonus room of about 350 square feet, or you can add that ADU, which is about 640 square feet. Now, starting price for this property as of today, when I'm filming the end of May 2024, starting price for this property is $745,900. Now, that does not include any upgrades or lot premium fees or anything like that. That is just your base starting price. Now, who am I to tell you all this stuff? I'm Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor, and I want to take you on a tour of this home. So let's go check it out. Look at this. You get secure package delivery right here at your front door. That's pretty awesome. Tell me, what did you think about this property? I would love to know in the comments. Now this community, Lyric, is, like I said earlier, it's a brand new community and it is also a master planned community. So this community is going to have pools, it's going to have fitness center, it's going to have a coffee shop, it's going to have a coffee shop / restaurant right there in the community. And once it's all fully built, it is also going to have some commercial around as well. And they have slated land for schooling also. So once this is built out completely, it's going to be about 1,900 homes. Once it's fully completed, there is going to be commercial, there's going to be all of those other things. But you should have your pool, your fitness center, the restaurant, and coffee shop. You should have that much sooner than maybe some of the other commercial or even the schooling site. Now this community is going to have regional parks. It's going to have local parks. There is miles and miles of trails throughout this community, and the location can't be beat. You are about 10 to 15 minutes away from the Denver Tech Center. You're about 35 minutes away from downtown Denver. And if you fly a lot or you travel a lot and you're going to be using Denver International Airport, you are about 30 to 40 minutes away from the International Airport as well. Now there's also a light rail spot which is very close to this community too. So you can take that light rail all the way up to downtown Denver, and then there's multiple spots along the way that you can hop on, hop off if you needed to. But if you're working in downtown Denver, didn't want to deal with parking, paying for parking, those kind of things, the light rail is a great option for you. And there is a light rail stop really close to this community. And then the last thing that I did not mention is they are building an incline in this community as well, which is super cool. So that incline, you know, people walk up them, hike up them, run up them. It is a great exercise tool, and there's going to be one right here in Lyric. So if you want more information about this community, because there are going to be 2 or 3 different builders in here, and this builder that is building this plan I just showed you, they are building 2 other collections here in Lyric as well. So if you want more information about Lyric community here in Lone Tree, Colorado, or any other area in the Denver metro area, I would love to provide that information to you. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. And if I can help make your move to the Denver, Colorado area smooth and easy, I would love to assist you. Now, all of my contact information is here on the screen. It's also in the details section and the comment section below. Now, if you want to see more about what Lone Tree has to offer, I did an entire video about it. I'm going to post it right here. You can go check out that video about everything that Lone Tree has to offer, because I guarantee you're going to like this spot. And until I see you again over here on this next video, scratch that.